Hey guys, my name is Arun Kumar and I'm back with another video. Today we are just going to unbox this new smart band, which is a F602. So let's just do the unboxing and start the video. So this is the packaging of the device. As you guys can see on the front side, they simply mention only the smart bracelet. The model number of this one is a F602. On the back side, they just mentioned there's some major features. As you guys can see,
the screen type is 0.96 IPS
and the battery type is 90 ampere. Battery life is 5 to 7 days. We don't know about this thing. Protection degree IP67 and system requirement iOS 8.0 or above, and you can use on Android devices also, which is 5.1 or above. And these are the major functions which this device can support. So let's just open the box and see. Comes inside the box. So this is the main thing, which is a smart band. Another thing is a manual. This is a barcode and the application name is Happy Sports, which is available on iOS and Android stores. You can directly download from there, or you can directly scan this barcode and you can download the application in your devices. The manual is in English or in Chinese, both. So we will just put this one here. Now let's just talk about this band.
The screen type is 0.96 IPS.
The material of the band is good. It's a silicone band. They don't have any kind of charger in this one, so I'm damn sure they are using the USB charging function. I will just remove this one here. So they have a USB port which you can use for the charging. It can support like a 2 ampere charger also, so you can simply use your phone charger, or if you want to charge this one from your laptop, you can also use that one. So I will just fix this one here again. Now it's fixed. On the back side, they have a heart rate sensor which you can use for the blood pressure monitor, and heart rate sensor, sleep monitor for all. I must say the quality of the band is good. So let's just turn on the device and let's see what function they have. You just have to press for a while, like 2 seconds. I will just wear this one, and I already downloaded the application also in my smartphone, which is a Happy Sports. We will just connect that one with the smart band and we will test the both things. So it's a free size, it can be easily fixed here. And right now I will just connect this one with the application, which is a Happy Sports. You just simply need to go inside the connectivity of this one. It's connecting. Okay, it's connected. Here you can see the battery timing of this one as well. It's a 21% is left. So now it's connected. If you see, automatically once I connect this one with the smartphone, the language is automatically changed of this model. Find my phone, stopwatch, power off. Before it was in a Chinese, now it's in English. So we will just do the first heart rate sensor function. It will be directly show here as well. I will just try from the application both. It's detected, it's vibrating. So it's just checking the blood pressure. Here you can see the complete information from different timings of my heart rate sensor. It's showing here. Let's try something else, which is blood pressure. So the blood pressure is 126/74. I'm not sure about the accuracy of this brand, because every single time I check the Chinese brands, they have a different kind of functions when they are monitoring these kind of things, blood pressure monitor and all those things. So guys, another feature is a sleep monitor. Once you will turn on this one, it will show you all the details of your sleep. So right now we didn't sleep, so we don't have any information here. Alarm clock, if you want to set the alarm or reminder, both things you can use in this one. Just press the add button, set the timing, date and days, and save it. So it will just start ringing whatever alarm setting you will fix in this one. Another function here, we will see the my profile. These are the some major things like settings and everything. You will see the version, about us. Now most important thing is this option. Here you can see some other features also. Wisdom, it's a shake to take the selfie. I will just turn on the front camera. So here It's fast. I must admit that it's much more faster than the M2 and M3 smart band. So let's just try the another one. Looking for the bracelet. It will start ringing. And also one more important thing which I didn't test in this one, the anti-loss device feature. Find my phone. Okay, just press here. So it works like a vice versa. If I want to find my bracelet, I can simply press this one. If I want to find my phone, I just need to press this, find my phone. Okay, this thing is done. Another one is a push messages. This is a very important feature where you can turn on the features which you want to receive on your smart band. For example, incoming calls, SMS, WeChat, these are the applications. I just turn on the WhatsApp, so whenever somebody send me WhatsApp on my smartphone, I can simply see the notification here. At the same time, if somebody is calling me SMS, I will see the functions here. Let's just go on another feature, time style. Okay, time style. Here you can see the different time stylers. This is the right now current time style. If I want to change this one, I can simply change. Okay, I will prefer this one because they have more features in this. They can show the more things on at the same place. Okay, interface display. These are the things. If you want to remove something or if you want to add something in the interface, you can directly select from here. I just turn off this stopwatch. If I will just turn on right now. First I will just show you there is no stopwatch function. So there is no stopwatch function. I will just confirm this one. Now if I will see, there is a stopwatch function available. So another one is a lift wrist brightness screen. This is a thing like once you will just move your wrist, it will just turn on the display. Remind heart rate monitoring throughout the day. If I will just turn on this one, every 30 minutes it will start monitoring my heart rate. Okay, do not disturb metric. These are the other features. So from my side, let's just check the speed of this one, because last time the speed was a little bit different. I will just remove this plastic, so I didn't notice they have a plastic on this one. Okay, now if you can see, the speed of this one is much better. Like other Chinese smart band, if you see in a market, they are sometimes lacking, but this one is, you can see the speed. So now we will just test the call feature in this one. Let's see how is the notification of the call once somebody is calling you on your smartphone, how you will receive the notification here. So guys, you saw the call notification on this one. Now we will just try the WhatsApp notification on this one, how we will receive the WhatsApp notifications on this. So you guys can see I'm receiving the WhatsApp notification here. So if somebody is sending me WhatsApp on my smartphone, I can simply see the notification here without checking my smartphone, especially while driving. And the battery timing of this one is around 2 to 3 days. Once you will charge the device battery is around 90 milliampere, which will take around 1 hour maximum to charge this device from the charger and from the laptop. And once it's charged, you can easily use the device 2 to 3 days. And a standby timing should be more than 15 days because it's already mentioned in the manual. I read it. So guys, this was the review of the F602 smart band. I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to buy this smart band, I will just put the link inside the description. You can buy it from there. I got this one is only 60 dirhams, which is less than $20. You can easily find this one from the online websites also. And if you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any kind of technical questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will try to give you the answers, and I will be back with another video soon. This is Aroon Kumar signing off. Peace out.